Hi friends, good morning. Myself PG sir from Sunday School. Today we are going to discuss another topic. Name of topic is molecular mass. How can we calculate the molecular mass of molecule? Before we understand the molecular mass, we must understand that what is the molecule. Molecule means it is the combination of element by chemical reaction. Suppose we are having H2O. So H2O is the molecule which is obtained by the chemical reaction of hydrogen and oxygen. Suppose methane. Methane is the molecule. So when carbon and hydrogen react with each other, we will get molecule methane. So before we start the molecular mass, we must understand what is the molecule. H2SO4 itself molecule, HNO3 is molecule, H2SO4, HNO3, H3PO3, H3PO2, H2CO3, K2CO3, KCl, HCl, these all are molecules which contain numbers of different elements. So we can now calculate the mass of molecule. It is to be said molecular mass. So molecular mass is the mass of element present in molecule. You just sum the mass of element present in molecule, total mass will be molecular mass. But there will be number of element will multiply by atomic mass of element, and then after we will get molecular mass. Here explanation given, molecular mass is the sum of atomic mass. Sum of atomic masses. Molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses. Just we are going to write down some underline. Molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of the element present in molecule. So if we are having molecule H2O, then we have to calculate the two atomic mass of 2 hydrogen plus atomic mass of 1 oxygen. When you get the sum of these two atomic mass, then we will get molecular mass. So the molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of the element present in molecule. This is the molecule and these are the atomic mass. Hydrogen having 1.0078 plus oxygen having 16.0 grams. So total 2 ones are 2 means we are having 2 round figure, and plus 16 means 18 grams is the molecular mass of water. 0.00 something is not calculated in real terms. So it is not necessary to add the point something value. You just add the round digit and it is also correct. Here you are given the example with its particular atomic mass. Just I have given the example of round figure atomic mass. So we are having, for example, molecule mass of methane which contains 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atom can be obtained as follows. This is the formula of methane. In methane 1 carbon, so 1 into 12.011 is the atomic mass of carbon, and 4 into 1.008 atomic mass of hydrogen. So this will be multiplied by 4 and this is the multiplied by 1. So total molecular mass 12 ones are 12 plus 4 ones are 4. This is the total, round figure is 16 molecular mass, but it is the point digit is also multiplying added. So we are having the value 16.043 unified or atomic mass per unit. It is the unit of molecular mass. You can say U, and now you can say grams also. So you have to be said what is the molecular mass of water. You can say 18 grams, or you can say 18 U. It is in round figure. It is not necessary to calculate point digit. It is accepted. So very simple explanation you are given. Another example you are given. Similarly, molecular mass of water means 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. So 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.008 U, and 1 into atomic mass of oxygen it is 16.00 U. You just total multiply and then add, you will get the 18.02 U. This is the molecular mass of water. So to calculate molecular mass, you must follow this theory. 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen, because in H2O there is 2H, and 1 into atomic mass of oxygen, because there is 1 O. So you will multiply 2 into 1.008 and plus 1 into 16.00. So total molecular mass will be 18.02 U. So this is the 2 example which is given in your textbook. We will calculate another 3 example, and you will get homework of 10 another example that you have to do yourself. So I am calculating another 2 example. Just kindly watch what I am going to do. Suppose okay, this is not proper. I must write down with the background first, then I must follow this one as right. We are having some examples to be calculated over here. Okay, find out the molecular mass of, first I am calculating for H2SO4. So how can we find out the molecular mass of H2SO4? So there are 2 hydrogen, so 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 in, there is 1 sulfur, so plus 1 into atomic mass of sulfur. There are 4 oxygen, so plus 4 into atomic mass of oxygen. Now we will calculate 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen 1.008. We are not writing, we are writing 1.0 plus 1 into atomic mass of sulfur. 1 into atomic mass of sulfur is 32 grams or 32 U. And 4 into atomic mass of oxygen, it is 16.0 U. So we will now multiply 2 into 1 means 2, 32 into 1 plus 32, and 4 into 16 means it is 64. Total value will be 4 to 6 to 8, this is 8, and 3 and 6 9, 98 U or 98 grams. You can say grams also, and you can say U also. This is one example that I have calculated. Now calculating another example. Suppose find out molecular mass of, 2 example we will calculate HCl and HNO3. So molecular mass of HCl we will find. So molecular mass of HCl is what? In HCl there is one hydrogen and one chlorine. So 1 into atomic mass of hydrogen, plus there is one chlorine. So 1 into atomic mass of chlorine. So there will be the answer 1 into atomic mass of hydrogen, we are taking 1, plus atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5 U. So we are having 1 into 1 means 1 U plus 35.5 U, total 36.5 U or 36.5 grams. This is the example that I have calculated. You should follow this theory properly. You should put the proper step to calculate the correct answer. That is very most important. Another example, you are given HNO3. So we are writing the molecular mass of HNO3. So there is one hydrogen. So 1 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus there is one nitrogen means 1 into atomic mass of nitrogen, capital N I am writing, plus there are 3 O, so 3 into atomic mass of oxygen. Now we will write down the value. So 1 into atomic mass of hydrogen 1.0 U plus 1 into atomic mass of nitrogen, it is 14.0 U plus 3 into atomic mass of oxygen, it is 16.0 U. You just make the addition of all this value. 1 into 1 means 1 plus 1 into 14 means 14 and plus 3 into 16, 48. So total value 48 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13, 1, 1, 4, 5 and 1, 6, 36, 63 U means 63 grams. These are the examples that you have to follow. This is the method. To calculate the correct answer, you must follow this method. Don't use calculator directly because JEE NEET calculator is not allowed. You must do multiply yourself, you must do addition yourself, and then you would find out the correct answer by proper multiplication and by proper addition. So follow properly the method. If you follow the method properly, you will get correct answer. You will never get any mistake. So I am humble requesting you to follow this method to calculate the molecular mass of any given compound or any given molecule. Now you are given 10 examples that you have to find out the molecular mass in homework before 6 p.m. or today is your test. You can send me it tonight also or tomorrow by 12 a.m. By 12 noon you must send me homework. I am giving 10 examples to calculate yourself. So kindly concentrate the example. Find out molecular mass of given compound or molecule. You can say compound also and you can say molecule also. Example first is H2CO3 carbonic acid, second is H2PO3, third one is H3PO4, P is 31, 4 HCl that you have calculated, 4 C2H5OH, fifth C2H5 COOH 6 C2H5 NH2 7 C3H7OH 8 C6H12O6 that is glucose. You are given the example of glucose in your textbook. 9 C4H9 COOH 10 C4H9OH 11 C5H11NH2 12 C3H7NH2 13 CH3COOH 14 CH3CH2NH2 15 CH3CH2COOH. These are the examples that you have to find out molecular mass. The value of oxygen is 6, value of carbon is 12, value of nitrogen is 14, value of phosphorus is 31. Atomic mass of phosphorus is 31, I think so, otherwise it may be 30, but I am just confused. You just write down 31 and you will get the answer. So this is the homework that you have to do yourself by proper method. So send me homework as you complete. Today is your test. Thank you very much.